Hi, how are you? How long have you lived in the area? Does your family live nearby? If we met at a Christmas party, we know how to begin a conversation. We can look at each other and envision a backstory filled with people and possibility and go from there. Not so much when we see someone living on the streets. Society has already defined them for us. You'd never see me as a housed person, and yet their identity is their lack of housing. As a result, we really don't know what to say or do when we meet a person experiencing homelessness. So often, we ignore them. My Uncle Mark lived on and off the streets for 30 years, but I never saw him as a homeless man. He was my uncle. He remembered every birthday and was the guest of honor at Thanksgiving. It didn't make sense to me why my uncle might be disregarded by society when he was so important to me. It's easy to disregard someone if you don't see them in the first place. Neuroscientists at Princeton and Duke have found that the part of the brain that recognizes people does not respond when you see someone who's homeless. This means that even if members of our very own families are dressed up to look homeless, we will walk right by and ignore them. After Uncle Mark died, I started saying hello and having conversations with people in similar situations to hear their stories and to try to understand their world. What I heard surprised me. Over and over again, I heard different versions of the same story. I never realized I was homeless when I lost my housing, only when I lost my family and friends. Homelessness is generally thought to be synonymous with houselessness. But in reality, homelessness is composed of two parts: the lack of stable housing and the loss of a social support system and sense of belonging, what I have come to call the social home. More than half of all Americans are one paycheck away from not being able to pay rent, yet the vast majority of us will not end up on the streets. But why? Family and friends, neighbors, church networks safeguard tens of millions of us housed people. Whether it's helping us out with rent, letting us stay for a few weeks, or simply offering the emotional support we need in difficult times, our social support systems shelter us from homelessness. So what about for the others? 2 years ago, on a chilly December evening in downtown San Francisco, I took a walk down Market Street, offering warm tea, hot biscuits, and a simple question: do you have any family or friends you'd like to record a message to for the holidays? That's how I met Jeffrey. He recorded a short video to his family.
My name is Jeffrey Michael Gottschall. I was born August 7th, 1969, in a small town in Pennsylvania named Georgeville.
A few days later, I posted Jeffrey's video on a Facebook group connected to his hometown. Within 1 hour, hundreds of people commented on and shared the post. The story made the local news, and messages poured in from former classmates and neighbors who knew Jeffrey and wanted to help. Soon, Jeffrey's sister Jennifer was tagged in the post. She and I spoke the next day on Christmas. She told me that Jeffrey had been a missing person for 12 years.
I've been talking to many people, trying to do what I can to get you home and the help that you need once you're here. My holiday message to you is this: if you don't give up, I won't either.
Earlier this year, Jennifer traveled by train across the country to reunite with her brother for the first time in 24 years. At first, this story felt like a miracle. But over the past 2 years, Miracle Messages, the nonprofit I founded to scale this work, has helped dozens of families reunite. We do the entire thing through short video messages, social media, and local volunteers. Ben reconnected with his brother after 17 years. Isaac reunited with his family after 40 years and is now living with them again. And just 1 week ago today, Juanita flew home to be with her family after 29 years apart. And get this, 40% of these reunions have led to stable housing. The average time separated is 10 years. The average time to reconnect, 3 weeks. Of course, relationships take a lot longer than that to rebuild, and professional support is essential. That's why the first step to start a Miracle Messages chapter in your community is to partner with local homeless service providers. Together, our goal, your goal, my goal together, is to reunite 1 million people by 2021. So, if reuniting families can be so effective, why is the social home not available everywhere? People experience houselessness for a variety of reasons. Job loss, domestic violence, mental illness, addiction. But they're often disconnected from their social support systems for similar emotional reasons. When we ask a person if they'd like to record a message and they say no, the most common response, I can't. I feel dirty. We can address this. Maybe it begins with us focusing not on what a person lacks, but on who a person is, and reconnecting with our neighbors as our neighbors, part of our social home. Everyone is someone's somebody, perhaps even someone's uncle. Maybe we just need to begin with a few simple questions. How are you? How long have you lived in the area? Does your family live nearby? Thank you.